man sits alone in a room in the early 1600s and decides to stop trusting everything he's ever believed. Not because he'd lost his mind, because he'd noticed his mind had been wrong before and never told him at the time. If your thoughts have ever spiraled at night, wondering what's actually true and what you've just assumed, you already know how this story ends. His name was René Descartes, and the question he couldn't shake was simple. If I've believed false things before without knowing it, how do I know I'm not doing it right now? So he tried something most people never do on purpose. He doubted everything at once. He imagined a being clever enough to fake his entire reality and every sight, sound, memory. Centuries later, The Matrix would ask the exact same question with better special effects. But here's what the movie leaves out. Descartes wasn't trying to win a fight against illusion. He was trying to find one thing solid enough to stand on, and he found it. Not in the world outside him, but in the act of doubting itself. To doubt is to think is to exist. That's the floor beneath the floor. Your own overthinking isn't a malfunction. It might be your mind doing exactly what his did, looking for the one thing it can actually stand on. Next time, the argument Descartes built after the doubt, and where even he admitted it gets shaky.